Welcome students, faculty, staff, and honored guests. It is a tradition that we celebrate the founding of our school every November. Along with celebrating our birthday, we come together to recognize what it means to be a community. Being part of a community like ours is a privilege, and at the heart of who we are and what we do are some incredibly kind, generous, and hardworking people. This week is dedicated to honoring those people who have done so much for our school. They make us proud to be true to themselves, to others, to our school, and to the world. Today is part one of our celebration, and we invite you to listen to our special guests that include faculty, old boys, and parents. Through all that they have given us, you will see that we are indeed stronger together.
It is my pleasure to present the Cum Laude Awards today. This society is a fellowship of scholars whose purpose is to recognize excellence in academic work. As you pursue your education, it is our hope that you will accept the honor of membership in this society as a responsibility to make some contribution to the ongoing search for greater understanding of the world in which we live. True to Veritas culture, Cum Laude shares commonality in the motto of the society, Arete, Dice, Time, excellence, justice, and honor. Arete, excellence, being true to your school, with the pursuit of excellence and representing your school well through passion, effort, and commitment. Dice, justice, being true to your world with the ability to think critically through positive leadership in order to advocate for social justice. And Time, honor, being true to yourself with the pursuit of doing your best in school through self-awareness. In testimony of your admission to the Cum Laude Society, by the authority of the society duly granted, I now present to you the certificates of membership. From the class of 2020, the award recipients are Michael Carrera, Adriano Ciceri, Carl Heidemann, Christopher Jarry, Brighton Leo Chen Kiao, and William Seabag. Congratulations, gentlemen. We are also delighted to announce the members of the class of 2021 who have been elected to the Cum Laude Society for their academic excellence in grade 10. From the class of 2021, the award recipients are Daniel Bergevin, Dean Farias, Matthew Homa, Dylan Lee, Marcus Lulich Deschanel, and Matthew Salvati. Again, to all recipients, congratulations. In the spirit of honoring significant accomplishments, I will turn it over to Tom Pitfield, class of 1993, current parent and board member, to recognize a very important legacy award.
It's my honor and privilege to tell you a little bit about my mom and what being a parent volunteer at Selwyn House meant to her and our family. Nancy pioneered a number of parent-run initiatives during my time at Selwyn. They were specifically directed to facilitating student-led projects, sports teams, and the arts. She was a familiar figure around the school, where she worked with other parents to build the sense of community we've come to know and love. To honor my mother's memory and to recognize others who continue to make our school a better place, the Nancy Pitfield Volunteer Award is given each year at Founders Day in recognition of those who give selflessly and demonstrate exceptional volunteerism and support for the Selwyn House community. It is my pleasure to introduce a former recipient of this award and current chair of the Parent Volunteer Association, Karen Anderson, to present this year's award.
I am thrilled to dedicate the Nancy Pitfield Award this year to my friend, Rula Rossi. Rula started her experience at Selwyn when her oldest son, William, started kindergarten in 2004. William was joined by her youngest son, Christopher, in 2009. Rula has been a generous member of the Selwyn House community in a way that not every stakeholder would see. Rula bravely stepped into the role of chairperson for the hugely successful Glitz and Glam Gala in 2016, where over $121,000 was raised for the Selwyn Student Success Center. Undaunted by the challenges of heading a successful event, Rula again volunteered to chair the Known and Loved Gala that has been postponed to October 2021. This gala in particular is an incredible task, as we'll not only recognize and honor Hal Hannaford and Susan Doherty for their contributions to Selwyn House, but will initiate a fund for mental health and wellness in their name. We've already reached over $75,000 in donations to establish this fund, thanks to Rula's hard work. Rula, your tireless support of Selwyn and your hands-on leadership is being recognized with the Nancy Pitfield Award. Thank you for all your contributions to the school. Congratulations, Rula. I would now like to turn it over to Joshua Weisenthal from the class of '99 and president of the Old Boys Association to honor an amazing group of teachers and staff very near and dear to our hearts.
The Selwyn House Old Boys Association is made up of alumni from around the world, and within that, a core group of us make up the Old Boys Association board, and we work together with Sharon Cousins, Marianne Clordy, and the Advancement Office to ensure that we are connected to each other and to the school in many different meaningful ways. Aside from organizing events and reunions, we also have the pleasure of building community by recognizing outstanding contributions made by those who have made a significant impact at Selwyn House. First, I would like to recognize the following faculty and staff who recently retired and who dedicated 25 years or more of service to the school. The 25-year service wall, located in the Lucas Main hallway, serves as a testimony to the affection and appreciation that the Old Boys have for those who have contributed to the life of the school and to its history. This year, the combined years of dedicated service from the following faculty and staff members reaches almost 200 years, an incredible milestone. Roman Pilot taught at Selwyn House for 35 years. He was an English teacher and history teacher in 7 elementary grades. He is a trained master of the art of storytelling and an outstanding example of excellence in teaching at Selwyn House. Carol Manning was at Selwyn House for 38 years. She taught in elementary school and coached basketball, tennis, and rowing. In 1991, she led the team that established the middle school for grades 7 and 8 and served as head of the middle school until her retirement. Christine Krushelniski was at Selwyn House for 39 years. She ran the school's print shop and book room and assisted at reception. She helped with school plays and the annual garage sale, and she and her late husband Mark are honorary Old Boys. James McMillan was at Selwyn House for 41 years. He taught music and founded the Old Boys Blues Band. He created the Advancement Office, which maintains the Old Boys Network and raises funds for financial aid, as well as construction and renovation projects. Brad Moffat taught at Selwyn House for 45 years. He taught physics at all senior school levels, and he volunteered with the Computer Science Club, started the chess club, as well as founded the robotics program. He also coached cross-country running and skiing, rowing, and racket sports. These amazing individuals joined 32 others who have dedicated their careers to our school. Congratulations to all. Typically, when we gather as a community every year on Founders Day, a number of guests can be seen adorning this pin. Those who wear it proudly have been recognized as an honorary Old Boy, and they include members of our community, parents, faculty and staff, and others who have gone above and beyond to their level of contribution to Selwyn House. This year, it is our pleasure to induct these special individuals into our ranks as honorary Old Boys of the school's Old Boys Association. Hal Hannaford, Roman Pilot, Carol Manning, James McMillan, and Brad Moffat. These dedicated and talented honorees join 24 others who have received the Honorary Old Boys recognition since its inception in 2008. Congratulations to all award winners on this special occasion.
Congratulations to all of our honorees for their accomplishments. Although we cannot be together in person, we are proud to celebrate all that they have done for our school. On Thursday, part 2 of our Founders Day Assembly continues, and we look forward to hearing from this year's Spears medalist, Mr. Hal Hannaford. And that assembly will start live on Zoom at 9:30 a.m. sharp. See you then.